Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Safari and going straight to Settings Extensions. This is where extensions live. Once done, make sure your Mac is running a compatible Mac OS version because Safari blocks older extension types. You should also confirm you're signed into your Apple ID so the App Store can verify purchases or downloads. These checks avoid permission errors later. Now move to the Extensions pane and prepare to browse the App Store or enable available items in the list. You click the App Store link in the Extensions pane to find vetted Safari extensions. Search for the one you want and tap Install. Once installed, return to Safari's extensions list and toggle the extension on so it becomes active. Next, grant the permissions the extension requests. This controls site access and data use so it can function correctly. Finally, open the extensions options to adjust behavior and keyboard shortcuts. Customizing settings reduces conflicts and improves performance. You finish by testing the extension on the sites where you'll use it and verifying any toolbar or menu icons appear. If something breaks, disable other extensions one at a time to spot conflicts, because two extensions can interfere with page scripts or resources. If issues persist, make sure Mac OS and Safari are up to date, then reinstall the extension. That often clears corrupted data. If it still fails, contact the developer with logs or screenshots so they can diagnose the problem effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.